Okay, so now we have come up with the next question. Okay, so the statement 1 is asking some dogs are cats. So this is a positive statement, as you can see, because there is no and not here. Okay, and in positive statement the hidden word is some. Okay, so like before I also told you there was a positive statement and we have used some at the last. So there is one hidden word at the last, it is some. Now we will read the conclusion one by one. So there is another way. I told you that we have to make a Venn diagram for all the possibilities. So if you miss any one diagram also, if you're making a diagram, if you're doing with a Venn diagram, if you miss any one of the diagram, then all the question will be wrong for you. You have to make each and every possibility of what is the statement is saying. Some dogs are cats. Dogs, cats. So some dogs are cat. This is the one diagram. The next says also some dogs are cats. This is the next possible diagram. And the third can be some dogs are cats. Because as I told you, all, like, they have given the information of some. That this doesn't mean that all are not cats. All can also be cats, but they have given the information about some of the dogs. Okay, so we will not go with this diagram because it is very time taking. So we will go with this approach that I have told you. So let's start with first conclusion, which is saying some cats are dogs. So this is going from cat to dog. So we also have to read from cat to dog. So we'll read some cats are dog. So it's the same thing. So this statement, this conclusion is correct. All cats are dog. Again, it is reading from cat to dog. We also have to read from cat to dog. It is saying all cats are dog, but it is here is some. As in second rule, what I have told you, that all cannot be read as some. We cannot say that if the sum is here, we cannot say all cats are dogs. This will be wrong. So this statement is wrong according to rule 2. Now, the third conclusion is saying all dogs are cats. So again, it is going from dog to cat. So if we go from dog to cat, we'll read as some dogs are cat. But the conclusion is all. As I told you, we cannot read some as all. We cannot read it. So this conclusion is also wrong as per this rule. Now, fourth is like it's a no. Again, fifth is a negative. Sixth, again it is a negative. Seventh, again it is a negative. So all four statements are negative. As I told you here, that positive statement will give positive conclusion. They cannot give negative conclusion. So this is already cross, cross and cross. So what follows? Only conclusion 1 follows with statement 1. Okay, understood? Now we will go with some negative statements. So we have done with the positive statement with all and some. Now we will go with the negative statement. Online course. Now, so the statement is no book is pen, which is a negative statement. Okay, because it is coming with no. Okay, so if we have no, then what is the hidden word? It itself is no. So you can also read as no pen is book, or you can also read as no book is pen. Okay, so we'll go with the conclusion. So conclusion first is no pen is book. It is going from pen to book. So we also have to go from pen to book. So we can also read it as no pen is book, which is a correct. This conclusion follows statement. So conclusion 1 is correct. Now we'll go with second. Some books are pen. Some books are not pen. Okay. So books, it is going from book to pen. So we also have to read from book to pen here. So here in no, I have told you we can read it as some not also. Okay. So here it is same. Some books are not pen. Here some not is coming. So no, we can read as some not. So this is correct. This conclusion is also correct as per the statement. So we are using this second rule. We are replacing no with some not. Same no with some not we have replaced. We can read it as some not. Now third, it is saying some pens are book. So it is reading from pen to book. So we also have to read from pen to book. Some pens are book. Okay, so is it correct? Because it's a positive statement. What I told you, negative statement will give the negative conclusion. Because some pens are book. This cannot be a correct statement because this is a positive statement again. All pens are book, positive statement. All books are pen, positive statement. Some pens are books, positive statement. Some books are pen, positive statement. So positive statement cannot follow the negative conclusion. Okay, so only two we have got the positive conclusion, negative conclusion correct, because we have the statement which is also negative. Okay, so we will go with the next question.